Hey there, real people. Today we're gonna show you how we do a low-key lighting photography. So we moved our studio light and used it as a backlight. Placed the camera and then mounted on a tripod to ensure we nail some stable shots. Since the light source is behind, we don't see much front details of the product. We then tried to put a negative fill at the right side using a blackboard, and this is what we get. Sure, it looks flattering, but as seen in the photo, we still don't see any details from the front side of the product. We decided to even out the lighting by putting another negative fill at the left, a key light at the front right to capture the front details of the product. And the results are... Oh my god! It looks pretty decent, then again we wanted to achieve a low-key lighting photography. So we thought about cutting some more light by adding a DIY diffuser. And here is the final result.